I'm back. I've been away for a bit during Christmas and whatnot, but I thought I'd get back into it with a new brownies recipe that I love, that I got from my friend Katrina, so I hope you enjoy it. So here I'm just listing out all the ingredients you're going to need and all the equipment that you need to make these brownies. I also forgot to put on the ingredients that you can get the Lotus biscuits to put on top, and that makes it really nice, as well as the Lotus spread. So yeah, that's everything you need, and you can swap out the plant milk for any other milk if you're not, vegan, and obviously vegan butter if you're vegan as well. But here's all the things you need. So here I'm just sieving out all of the cocoa powder and flours that you need, and also the baking powder. I'm just sieving that all together, and you want to make sure that they're all incorporated, so you want to mix it all together. So here you'll want to get another bowl and put your butter and your sugar and mix them together, and later we'll add the aquafaba.
No matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright.
So here my butter's a bit hard to stir in, and I think that's because I didn't leave it out in the room for long enough. So if you want your butter to, stir in much easier than this, just leave it out and make sure it's not just straight from the fridge.
It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So this is the interesting part of this recipe, and if you didn't know what aquafaba was, it's that, well, I've spilt it now, but it's the juice of your chickpea can. So you're going to add that, and that acts as like egg whites, but it's suitable for vegans, and makes your brownies nice and fluffy. So I'm just adding 6 tablespoons of that aquafaba into the mix, and at this point your mix is going to go a bit gloopy, and you're not going to like the look of it. But once you start incorporating all the flours and everything, it should look quite nice. So here I'm just adding in the 50 grams of dark chocolate, and I've whisked that up. That's why it looks like cocoa powder, but it's dark chocolate. So here's the fun part. We're going to add our Lotus spread to this recipe, and if you haven't had this before, it's really delicious. So a top tip of what to do with this Lotus spread is get the amount that's listed and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and it should go all gloopy, and then you can spread it quite easily, unlike what I've done here. I did it a bit wrong, but yeah, yours will look much nicer with spread. And at this point, if you want to add the biscuits, you can. So you just put them on top, put the spread on top, and it will look amazing at the end. So here's the finished brownies. It's more like a fluffy brownie than like a dense brownie, but they are really, really delicious.
What is that?
So I hope you enjoyed this brownie video of my favourite brownie mix, and I'll see you in my next one.